Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video, as I say in every video, but it's really true. So today I'm bringing you 10 reasons why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine. So random fact about my channel, I made a video a super long time ago called 10 reasons why you should add baby oil to your beauty routine, and that just so happens to be the most successful video on my YouTube channel. So I have been waiting to follow it up with this coconut oil video for a really long time, and I am finally getting around to doing it, and I'm so excited. Also, if you have been around and subscribed to my channel ever since I made the baby oil video, then please let me know down in the comments, because if you've been here for that long, then you are the real MVP, and I love you so much if you've been around for that long. So tell me down in the comments. But if not, if you're new to my channel and maybe this is the first video you've ever seen of me, hello, my name is Katie, and I'm so excited that you are joining me today on my channel. And if you've never been to my channel before, then you may not know that I have two young daughters. One of them is 2 years old and one of them is about 4 months old. So if you hear any like randomness going on in the background, then it's probably my kids. So I will leave the link down below if you want to go check out the baby oil video. It's literally from years ago, so it might be a little bit cringe-worthy, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and get started. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I've actually never made a sponsored video before, so literally not one. I've never shared products with you guys in exchange for money or for any other reason. I am just here sharing things that I love. The coconut oil that I use every single day, multiple times a day, is the Vita Coco coconut oil. If you're going to use any of these tips in your daily life, then it is very important that you are using a good coconut oil. It is 100% organic, virgin coconut oil, and this is cold pressed unrefined coconut oil. So basically, if you are at the grocery store looking for coconut oil, you are just going to want to look for one that says unrefined on it. The refined version of coconut oil is essentially just a more simplified version of coconut oil, and a lot of the nutrients and just the good things about coconut oil are kind of sucked out of it when a coconut oil gets refined. However, refined coconut oils are really great for cooking with because it has a lot less fat in it than other cooking oils, so it's a really great alternative if you're trying to live a healthier lifestyle. But as far as adding coconut oil to your beauty routine, you absolutely want to make sure you're using the unrefined version of coconut oil. So I just wanted to make that clear, because I know the first time that I went out to purchase coconut oil, I was kind of like nervous because I knew there was certain coconut oils and I didn't want to get the wrong one, and I wanted to make sure the one I was getting was good for me. So I just wanted to put that out there so you guys don't get confused when you're shopping for coconut oil. It's a really great natural resource to have in your household, not even just for beauty purposes. You can use it for cooking. There's tons of household ways to use it. So if you want to learn more about it beyond just the beauty side of it, then definitely look into that. I have a helper with me here today. This is Elena. Say hi, baby. And if you're wondering what's all over her face, I just filmed a dollar store makeup challenge, which I will link down below. And this little one loves to do her makeup with me, so she was helping me with my makeup video. Yeah, so I need to use some coconut oil to take that off of her face. Coconut oil is also naturally antibacterial and antifungal and antimicrobial. Really great for kind of detoxing all of that gunk out of your system. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the 10 reasons why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine. So number one is to defrizz your hair. I am somebody who heavily suffers with frizzy, dry hair. This is about as good as it gets as far as wearing my hair natural, because if I'm not heat styling it, my hair tends to get very frizzy very quickly. So I need to use something that locks in the moisture in my hair, prevents the frizziness, and kind of just keeps my hair tame and soft so that I can wear it natural sometimes, because I don't want to always have to use heat products on my hair in order to make my hair look smooth. Reason number 2 why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine: use it to remove your makeup. So basically you just want to get some of the coconut oil on your hands and rub it into your skin and your eye area, and it will just break up all of that makeup on your face. Normally what I will do is take the coconut oil and just rub it around my face and my eye area just to kind of loosen up all that makeup, and then I will either use a makeup wipe or a baby wipe, and I use that to remove all of the coconut oil along with the makeup, and it works amazing. It gets all of the makeup off. It takes off waterproof mascara like that. It's just so easy and so gentle. It really is just so clean and easy. You just have to take the tiniest little bit on your hands, and that's enough to remove all of your makeup off of your face. If you have a big jar like this, which is about $8 to $10, then it's gonna last you for so long, and you're gonna save so much money on makeup remover. Reason number 3 why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine is you can use it as a leave-in conditioner for your hair. So if you apply this to your hair as soon as you get out of the shower while your hair is still damp, it is very moisturizing for your hair, locks in that moisture, and when your hair dries, then your hair will be nice and soft and smooth. Reason number 4 why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine is just a simple, everyday moisturizer. So basically, coconut oil is a really amazing moisturizer because the oils penetrate your hair and your skin a lot faster than any other sort of oils or lotions, which is what you want when you're trying to moisturize. Instead of going out and buying lotions and body butters and fancy expensive oils and face moisturizers, you can do all of that with just coconut oil, and again, saving you so much money. It does the exact same thing. Reason number 5 to add coconut oil to your beauty routine is that it prevents stretch marks. This is something that I found out during my 2nd pregnancy. Unfortunately, I didn't realize this tip during my 1st pregnancy, but if you apply coconut oil to your belly area every single day, you will have virtually 0 stretch marks by the end of your pregnancy. And because it's so moisturizing, it really helps the elasticity in your skin. So while your skin is stretching, you're not damaging your skin because it's heavily moisturized with the coconut oil. You can do the exact same thing around your hips. You can do it on your thighs. You can really apply it anywhere, and it's going to prevent those stretch marks. I know stretch marks are kind of, I mean, there's nothing wrong with stretch marks. We all have stretch marks. I have a ton of stretch marks, and it will help diminish the appearance of stretch marks if you already have them. It's not necessarily going to remove your stretch marks, but just adding in that extra moisture is definitely going to help the appearance of your skin overall. Reason number 6 why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine is to get shiny, glistening, beautiful legs. So when it's spring and summertime and you want to show off those legs and wear some cute shorts or wear a cute dress or a cute romper, there's like so many cute options to show off your legs. Or if you're going to the beach or something like that, definitely grab some coconut oil, and before you leave the house, slather it just all over your legs and any area that you have exposed for the day, and it'll reflect the light from the sun and just make it look naturally glossy and beautiful, and it's a really, really great tip. I highly recommend using this tip if you are showing some skin. Reason number 7 why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine is using it as a foot and hand mask. So basically what you want to do here is take a heavy amount of the coconut oil and apply it all over your hands, and then you can use some gloves, or you can even use those like fuzzy socks and just use those to cover your hands and cover your feet. Coconut oil helps prevent the signs of aging, and one of the number 1 places that your body starts to show aging first is your hands. So if you are keeping your hands nice and moisturized with a coconut oil mask, then you can prevent those signs of aging in your hands. So reason number 8 why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine is to replace your chapstick. I love doing this overnight. So before I go to bed, I will just slather a bunch of coconut oil on my lips, and then when I wake up in the morning, they won't be chapped and dry. But you could also just use a tiny amount and use it the exact same way that you would use a chapstick. So again, this is gonna be saving you so much money in the long run if you can just grab one big jar of coconut oil and use it for so many different purposes and just keep repurchasing the coconut oil instead of purchasing, you know, chapstick and lotion and makeup remover and all those different things. You can do all of that with coconut oil. So, so reason number 9 why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine is for feminine health. Actually, not just feminine health, just kind of overall, how do I word this? Reproductive health? Genital health. Basically, if you get any sort of issues or dryness or irritation in your private areas, then coconut oil is absolutely an amazing product to use for that reason. I personally use coconut oil every time that I shave. I know that's a little TMI, so I'm sorry, but I feel like it's really, really useful information. Or if you need a lubricant, sorry, TMI, I know, but you can use coconut oil for all of those things because it's an organic product and it's so natural and your body takes to it so well. So you're not putting your pH balance at risk, you're not risking irritation by putting an unfamiliar product down there. So I highly recommend using this for that reason. So we're on to the final tip, which is my personal favorite out of all of these tips, but I just want to say there are so many other uses for coconut oil. You can use it in place of your cuticle oil. You can use it on your babies as a diaper cream. You can use it on door hinges to prevent squeaky doors. Just take a look at some of the other benefits that coconut oil has because it's such a useful product. I can't say that enough. It has really changed my life, and I feel like every person that I talk to nowadays, I'm like raving about coconut oil. I'm just like, oh my god, have you heard about coconut oil? Have you used it for this? Have you tried it for this? Like, I am just always talking about it. Again, not sponsored. This is just what I personally do. This is what I use, and it has changed my life. So, the final tip that I have for you guys, the 10th reason why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine is for oil pulling. So if you don't know what oil pulling is, it is for your teeth. Basically, what you do for oil pulling is you're going to take about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I usually just grab a spoon out of my drawer and take a, heaping spoonful and put the whole thing in your mouth. I know, sounds crazy, but don't swallow it. Don't try to eat it. What you want to do is swish it around as if it's, mouthwash, or if you're rinsing your mouth out or something like that. So just swish it around in your mouth, swish it in between your teeth, swish it all around, but don't swallow it. And you're gonna wanna do this for 15 to 20 minutes. And that sounds like a long time. It takes a little bit of getting used to, I'm gonna be honest. If you can get used to this and add this oil pulling into your routine, first of all, it's going to whiten and brighten your teeth so much. I drink so much coffee and I love wine, so my teeth get stained a lot. It's kind of a problem. It's honestly something that I'm a little bit insecure about, but oil pulling is something that has really, really helped. So while you're swishing the oil around in your mouth, it's gonna feel really weird and it's gonna start to kind of foam up, but whatever you do, do not swallow it. And the reason that you are swishing this around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes is because that is the amount of time that it takes for the blood in your system to circulate around your entire body. Then the blood is going to be running through your mouth area where the coconut oil is, and the coconut oil is going to be pulling out all of those toxins and all of that nasty stuff out of your blood system. If you do it for 15 to 20 minutes, the entire time that it takes your blood to cycle around your body, then you're going to be pulling all of those toxins out. I'm sure there's articles and things online that you could read that will do a much better job explaining it than I am. So that's the whole reason for oil pulling. It just pulls all of that gunk out of your system. So after you're done swishing the coconut oil around in your mouth, I don't recommend spitting it into your sink just because it is an oil. So if it gets stuck in your drain, then it could cause, you know, plumbing issues. But the number one thing to remember is to not swallow it, because since the coconut oil is pulling out all of those toxins from your system, then all of those toxins are sitting in your mouth. So swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes and then spit it out into the trash can. Some people brush their teeth after they do this and some people don't. I personally do brush my teeth after I oil pull because it just feels cleaner, but I guess that's just a personal preference. That is 10 reasons why you should add coconut oil to your beauty routine, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because oh my god, these two little girls, they are just the light of my life and I love them so much, but holy friggin' moly, it is so hard to film when they are around. And I love filming and I love my YouTube channel, so I just kind of roll with it. So I hope that the little noises weren't too distracting for you guys, and I hope that you got something good out of this video. There's a ton of tips that you could implement into your life. I'm going to continue to purchase coconut oil and use it in my everyday life. I'm going to leave my links down below so that we can be friends on social media. Alright, so I'm going to get going. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye! Mwah. And after you watch this video, oh, thank you, Bubba. Where you can read all about and just kind of some of the coconut. Oh, oh my god. Reason number. Mash them. And after this watching, every time I start talking, you just. Anyways, so, shh.